The feeling so nice. So my life, so right. Keep up down. Thank you. Just get a little light side, it just like this. People say you can't change it. Haven't given over yet. Down is the paper part, I wait, I can tell no one. 12:30. Thank you, Francesca. Salamat. Arigato. Thank you, Gretch. Wait lang, tapusin ko lang itong Midnight Sun. Hi, AB. Ay, pasabog ka. Faster. I miss you too, Victoria. How are you? Ay! Thank you sa fireworks. Just like this, hold me like the pebbles in your hand, and it's just in the sand. Yeah, summer isn't over yet. Getting deeper with your heart. Yeah, little favorite part, I'll wait. Saang bar ka ngayon, Victoria? Thank you, Francesca, sa fireworks. Ganda talaga ng foundation na to. Makas ay. Ako ba narinig may nagsabi niyan? Basta akin na lang din yan. For sure malalaman niyo kung sino eh. K.O. Thank you, Kim Solis. Salamat. Just like this. Thank you. Salamat. It's a favorite part now. We didn't tell no one. Thank you, Kim. Salamat. And Francesca, pasabog ka. Thank you so much. Always. Midnight Sun. Hi po, hi. Dapat, Victoria, ganito ginagamit mong foundation. Pawising ka kasi. Nakasama ko na yun sa show si Victoria eh. Pawising yan eh. Stroke dye. Maganda coverage nito. Hanapin mo lang yung ano,
Doon ka sa legit seller ha, kasi may peke nito eh. Saan mo nabili? Dito lang din. Actually, hindi ko siya binibili. Sponsor sa akin to ni Sir Momoy. Si Sir Momoy kasi may-ari ng Stroke. Sponsor niya sa akin to. Parang pinapadala niya ako monthly ng foundation. Hindi naman tayo magka-shade. Actually, medyo dapat lighter one dapat pag ano. Tingnan mo. Kanina may nabasa ako dyan, hindi ko daw ka-shades yung foundation ko. Huy. Ako pa ba? Diyan kaya ata nagkamali. Anong kulay ng contact lens mo? Gray. Yung walang ring. Mahusay ang base na yan. Yes. Tapos isang magandang primer, yung malagkit. Kung may elf ka, go. Maganda ang elf. Elf ang gamit ko. Na primer. Maganda talaga yung stroke na yan, in fairness. Tsaka hindi ako nagre-retouch dyan. Wala akong bit-bit na pang-retouch sa O-bar. Partida ha. Doon pa ang show hagaran. Dire-diretso. Kahit drag race ka doon, walang drag race doon. Mag-prod ka. Sumama ka sa mga prod, ganun doon. Anong atake ngayon? Na-stroke lang. Ano atake ngayon? Na-stroke lang. Yes, over ako, Robbie. Later. Ay, nakalimutan ko patutugtugin ko. Kawakanda ka na. Tropa ko yun, be. Lalo na yung Black Panther. Ano yung papatugtugin ko? Yawa. Hala, hindi ako nakaano. Hindi ako pwede mag-ip-ip. Hindi ba nababan yung ibang music dito? Okay lang. Kahit anong music, okay lang. Sure kayo? Oo, wag lang vid. Okay. Wait lang. Wag lang video. Ito muna yung playlist ko. Wait lang. Ano yung lip-sync mo later? Hindi ako magli-lip-sync, be. Magla-live ako. Bossa Nova all night. Ay, loko. Do you think you're your best friend? I could tell you stop riding. Sa over ako mamaya. Kaya sa mga walang gagawin, see you later. And this coming Holy Week, April 2 hanggang 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hanggang April 9, nasa Ela Union po ako ha. May show ako ng April 4 ng Drag Brunch. Baka gusto nyo pumunta. Be the man that I need, baby. Hindi ba kayo nagsasawa sa kantang yan? Dapat paka. Tapos, boobs. Alam mo ba isang buong 2 taon niya nasa tenga ko. Miss Leishan A nga, isang buong taon siya nasa ulo ko. Nasa tenga ko eh. Tapos minsan may nasakyan pa akong Grab. Yun yung tugtog. Panay pala siya ng Drag Race. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Hindi ako tinatantanan. Saan ka punta? O-bar po. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Be the man. Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and never coming down. Get a little bit tired, listening to the sound of my tears. Every now and then I get a little bit tired. Every now and then I get a little bit helpless and I'm lying like a child in your arms. Every now and then I get a little bit 12:30. Ilang oras may preparation mo? Pag mabilisan, 15 minutes. Pag hindi naman ako masyado nagmamadali, umabot ako ng 1 hour. Once upon a time I was falling in love. Now I'm only falling apart. There's nothing I can do. A total eclipse of the heart. Once upon a time there was light in my life, but now there's only love in the dark. Nothing I can say. Total eclipse of the heart. Sino-sino dun nasa O-bar? Customer, waiter, yung may-ari, cashier, performer, ano pa? Bouncer. Alter, customer na nga yun eh. Yung mga alter na customer. Sino favorite alter mo? Wala nga akong kilalang alter eh. Alam mo, na-OP ako sa ganyan pag usapang alter. Nag-uusap-usap sila about sa alter. Wala akong kilalang alter. Kasi hindi naman ako tawag dito, hindi ako nag-ex. Ang ginagawa ko lang sa nanonood lang ako, nagpo-post lang ako, tapos dinidelete ko na siya. As in, dinidelete ko siya. Ano lang ako, installed, post, tapos uninstalled. Ganun lang ako. Ganun lang yung tag ko sa X. Hindi ako kasi ang daming masasamang tao din eh. Ang daming masasamang bibig. Ano powder mo, ma? Sabihin ko ba? Charis. One size be. Mapay ni makeup. Si Bo Milker ba ay hindi ko makilala yun si Cebu Milker be. Kaya mo pag nagsibo ko, hanapin ko siya. No-OP ako pag ganyan ang usapan. Wala kasi akong kilala ni isa. Parang dati nung season 2, may nag-message sa akin na Manila Milker ba yun? Kung natatandaan nyo, pinost ko sa ex yun. Tapos tinag ko siya. Ano itong mini-message mo sa akin na collab-collab? Nakita ko yun sa pinost ko yun sa ex. Ganun lang naman ako eh. Post lang naman ako yung tag. Oh, I remember. Diba? Kasi hinihintay ko siya mag-reply. Ayun. Sa tagal niya mag-reply, dinilit ko na lang yung ex ko ulit. Take me back. Take me back. Hindi nyo kilala kung sinong singer yan. Take me back to my sweet la vida. Find my love, my dolce vida. Show me where I need to go. Donde está mi chico latino? I got a secret, I gotta keep it. It's just a whisper to the distant memory. Chase a dream, so it seems. Take me back to the place I never leave. Ano daw? Can someone tell me kung ano yung alter? Hindi ko rin, ang alam ko sa alter, be, di ba yan yung nasa laptop, nasa computer? Di ba? Alt, tsaka enter, alter. Yan yun, be. Huwag mo nang pinalalalim yung mga ano-ano. Yun lang yun. Yan yung nakalagay doon sa keyboard ng computer. Alt lang yun tapos enter. Kaya alter. Yun lang yun. Huwag mo nang tanongin pa. Dahil ako din nalilito na rin. Diba? Yun lang naman yun eh. Ma-request kami. Ano na may request nyo? May exes nyo na naman ako. Señor, yo te pequeño, yo no sé, pero no te cuento, me corto con comiento, chico latino cochero, físicamente sí, ese camino, el sueño latino, puta ka, o nakapag-Mexican pa, gago Espanyol. Medyo babaan lang natin yung pilay natin ngayon kasi sa kilay ako focus. Anong gamit mong primer mo? Elf. Actually, si Estes yung gamit kong primer. Yung blurry. Hello. It's the midnight sun, kiss the little light sky.
Hold me like the pebbles in your hand and angels in the sand. Yeah, summer isn't over yet. Getting deeper with your heart out is my favorite part. Now we ain't gotta tell no one. And never ending midnight sun.
Nakakamiss mag skinny dip sa sa La Union. Pag lasing na lasing ka. This is hayop. The time it's a midnight sun kissing a little rest just like this.
Hold me like the pebbles in your hand and dishes in the sand. Yeah, summer isn't over
Boy, yet.
Skinny dipping with your
Oh,
heart out. It's my favorite part of. We ain't gotta tell no one.
Never ending.
Midnight
Maturuan mo ako mag-drag makeup. Sa YouTube, be! Ako sa totoo lang, natuto lang ako sa YouTube. Ano pa ako nung dati, tao dito? Ini-slow mo ko pa yun. Tapos post play. Pag nagpa-practice ako.
No nightmare when you can still see the light. Can't find me. I'm not in the city tonight. I like your playlist, boy. Turn it up a little louder. Roll empty, so you drive a little faster. Ain't thinking nothing tonight, but I'm feeling so high.
So my day and night, so
Right, top down. It's golden now.
all the time.
It's the midnight sun kissing under the red sky, laying on you just like this. Hold me like the pebbles in your hand, initials in the sand. Yeah, summer isn't over yet. Skinny dipping with your heart out. It's my favorite part now. We ain't gotta tell no one. And never ending midnight sun.
Dahil Friday ngayon, hindi tayo pero pwede din naman.
Connected, I'm so in touch with it all.
Bukas na nga lang.
By the moon and the stars, I'm walking barefoot, feel the grass in between my toes, bombshell wind in
Ano na naman yan? Dali nga.
It's been a while since I cried over something so nice.
Cutie puta binabash kapwa bakla. Wala man ako nababasa about UD. Bakit may sinasabi ba si UD?
It's the midnight sun kissing under the red sky, laying on you just like this. Hold me like the pebbles in your hand.
Baka hindi naman si UD yan. Meron ma.
Skinny dipping with your heart out. It's my favorite part now. We ain't gotta tell
Ah.
no one. Never ending midnight sun.
Saka parang wala naman ako narinig na nagkaroon ng issue si UD. Parang wala na. Kayo, gumagawa na naman kayo ng ano ha. Huwag mo kayo inuutosan ha.
I heard you calling.
On the megaphone.
You wanna see me all alone. As legend has it, you are quite the pyro. You light the match to watch it glow. And if you never call for me, I might have drowned in the melancholy. I swore my loyalty to me, myself, and I right before you lit my sky.
Sa O-Bar, may show ako sa O-Bar. They were Ophelia.
The eldest daughter of a nobleman, Ophelia lived in fantasy.
Yan ang maganda sa may talukap eh.
Love was a cold bed,
Lalo na pag malalim.
the venom stole her sanity. And if you never
Madali mag-makeup.
I might have lingered in purgatory. You wrap around me like a chain, a crown, a fire, pulling me into the fire.
1 hour ka ba mag-makeup? Mga 4 hours. Ganun ako katagal eh. Kasi ano lang ako, BB queen lang ako. Mabagal ako mag-makeup do. Parang 6 months pa lang ako nag-start mag-drag. Kaya ganun ako kabagal. Minsan nga umabot ako ng 8 hours eh.
Inside my memory, and only you possess the key. No longer drowning and deceived, all because you came for me. Locked inside my memory, and only you possess the key.
At sa baby queen, baby queen.
Because you came for me.
Makasapakin ako ng mga tao dyan, mag baby queen.
All that time alone in my tower, you were just honing your powers. Now I can see it all.
Bakit ang tagal mo mag-makeup? Ang pangit ko kasi. Kailangan pagandahin. Saka kailangan makapal yung makeup. Hayop mga sagutan mo today, shoota ka. Tapos bigla nandyan si Doc Kay, no? Tsaka si Doc Sherwell. Hoy, bakla ka, sinasabi mong pangit ka. Makipagtapatan ka sa personal. Kung pangit ka talaga. Bigla sumagot ng ganun si Doc Kay dyan. Yung mga doktor ko. Gaga, binibigay ko lang sa kanila kasi yan yung gusto nila. Yan din naman trip ko ngayon eh. Yan ang putok ng hormones ko ngayon. Actually, kanina pa pumapalo yung hormones ko. Alam mo, bumili ako ng donut tapos hindi ko pa kinakain. Para akong tanga. Gusto ko lang makita yung donut. Yun lang yun. Promise, yun lang yun. Oo, gusto ko lang makita yung donut. Gusto ko lang may donut sa bahay. Tapos hindi ko pa siya kinakain. Legit. Tingnan mo. Ayan o. Hindi pa nabubuksan. Kanina pa tong 3:00 ng hapon. Natulog na ako ulit. Gusto ko lang siya makita. Yan lang. Ganyan lang siya. Ganyan topak ng hormones ko eh. May mga ganyan ako eh. Back off, I'm a fan. Ang dami na kasing gumagawa niyan eh. Pero pwede kong gawin sa over yan. Hanap lang ako ng magandang version. Ayoko ng original eh. Katulad ng ginawa ko sa I Will Survive, di ba? Gusto ko, gumagawa ko ng sarili kong version. Huwag ka munang sumugod dito, puta kami asod sa labas. Hindi ka makakapasok. Yung tubig na ako nagbot kanina sa labas eh, kasi hindi makapasok yung tubig ng aso sa labas. Tagal ko mag-makeup, no? Wala na. Top global ka na? Hindi pa. Malapit na. Pa-metropolitan pa lang ako. Baby, where the hell's my husband? Where do you see the solo? Thank you, Yudi. Sinong bias mo sa Katse? Wala nga akong kilala dun eh. Tapos sino pa bias ko? Is it okay? Is it okay? Sa Cat's Eye, siguro bias ko dun si Ruby. Si Lady Ruby. Naimiss ko na si Teddy Bear. Ah, puta. Wala bang Lady Ruby doon? Ah, sa O-Bar lang pala yung Lady Ruby. You'll see me, complete me, hard as water. Is it hard, is it okay? I need you to tell me, baby. See you, Mr. O-Bar. See you. See you later. Sarma, 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 wanna. Without it, that is just to me. Help me, Lord. Baby, the hell's my husband? Mag-graduate na ako. ML na ulit. Congratulations. Wala mo ng ML ngayon, babe. Actually, naglalaro yung account ko ngayon. May naglalaro. Sali kayo doon kung pasasalihin kayo. Diamonds, 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 oh. Where is my husband?
Oh boy.
You said your phone was broken, just forgot I could charge it.
Maya ako maglalaro after 12. Baka hindi ko mabigay yung code sa'yo, ha? Walang signal sa O-Bar. Stupid.
Or is it slow? Maybe it's useless.
Setting spray ko, ito lang. Wala akong ibang setting spray.
I know. Why you always come running to me?
Ano to? Shea Glam. Hi Barbie. Hi Ken. Foundation mo, semento. Palitada be. Puta kayo pag nagme-makeup ako, ML. Pag naki-ML, naglalaro naman ako, nagla-live ako ng laro. Pinapan nyo, may show ka, may show ka. Leche. Hindi na nag-charge yung phone ko tuloy. Yan. Nabunot ko. Mukhang masarap pa naman yung donut. Triple cheese. Yung sa Lola Nenas, triple cheese ba yun? Oo yata. Ay, wala yung white eyeliner ko. Wag na mag-white, no? Wag na mag-white. Walang white eh. Pag walang white, wag mag-white. San Gora mo, ma? Sa puso mo. Tapos pinasong mo yung Gabriela. Tapos yung Gabriela, be. Gusto mo sa Rizal naman? O si Diego Silang? Sino ba yung kasama ni Gabriela Silang? Ni Gabriela? Na, come on! Next. Medyo nagpapantigin tayo ako kay Rihanna ngayon. Daw magra-Russian ako mamaya. Parang gumaganda lalo. Ano ka ba? Ang pangit ko nga ngayon eh. Hindi ako gumaganda. Pangit ko nga ngayon. Supper. Wala po ba si Turing sa O-Bar? Wala, matagal na siyang wala sa O-Bar. Actually, namimiss ko na nga yan si Tropang Turing eh, sa O-Bar eh. Namimiss ko na nga yan, na yan eh. Kasi si Turing yung katabi ko talaga as in legit. Kami magka-seatmate ni Turing. Ilang taon kaming seatmate. Nag-ano pa ako dati noon. Nag-iossi pa ako talaga noon, as in. Link ng contact. Smart o Globe? O PLDT? Yung fiber, wala namang number yun, be. Sang bar na po siya. Hindi ko alam eh. Yun ang hindi ko alam. Pero sana bumalik siya ng over kasi nami-miss ko siya sa over. Tsaka, alam mo yun, nakikita ko pa rin siya sa ano, sa over. Sana bumalik siya. Namimiss ko siya doon. Sa totoo lang. Namimiss ko siyang kabanding, mag-show, Doon nagkakasama naman kami sa show, pero hindi siya ganun ka ano. Like, not like over from what time kami dati? From 3 p.m. to 6 a.m. Diba? Kakasama kami. Amazing love is past. Welcome back, Francesca. Banging out the trash, and nothing gonna last. I thought it was haunted. I used to list your posts. Congratulations sa'yo, Z. Thank you, John Ray. Ano daw? Kapatid, natilog. Ano natilog? Bi, hindi ako marunong magbisaya. Bi, ano yung natilog? Waray kami ni Aray. Waray. Tatay ko Waray. Taga Leyte. Ayusin mo muna yung gamit doon kasi siniksip ko lang sa lahat. Oo, pero ayusin mo ha. Yung accessories. But now it's gonna off our light. Rising Star. Anong Rising Star? Anong eyeliner gamit mo? Liquid. Anong age mo nag-start ka nag-drag? 16. Nag-work na ako ng 16 years old. Kasi akala ko mapapaaral ko yung sarili ko eh. Hindi pala. Nagkapera na ako. Huwag na mag-aral. Paano pumasok sa O-Bar? Siyempre, magbabayad ka ng entrance. Punta ka sa O-Bar. Sakay ka Grab or InDrive, kahit ano. Transportation ngayon, sakay ka, lagay mo O-Bar Philippines. Tapos, may entrance doon. Pagka entrance mo, bibigyan ka ticket, tapos pasok ka sa pinto, tapos ano ka ng table.
I was a liar, I gave in to the fire. I know I should have fought it, at least I'm being honest.
Leche, paulit-ulit.
Cause I know that I failed you, I should have done you better. Cause you don't wanna lie. I know she gives you everything, but I couldn't give it to you.
Hi from Cebu, hi. Uy, taga Cebu ka. Kilala mo daw si, ano yung sinasabi nyo kanina? Cebu Milker. Ayan o, may taga Cebu be, lagot kayo. Ayan o, pinag-uusapan nila dito kayo ng si Cebu Milker. Eh, hindi ko naman kilala yun. Sino ba yun? Cebu Milker po, kinanginain yun. Dami niyong inaano sa akin. Ang dami niyong pinapaaral sa akin, be. Parang matanda na ako dyan para sa Cebu Milker na yan. Alter nga ni. Ayun, na-restrict tuloy ako. Hindi kasi ako na-restrict tuloy ako. Tigilan na natin yung ano na yan. Favorite piyesa ko, I'm Here. Tapos meron pa akong isang favorite na piyesa ko. Dati-dati pa. Ewan ko kung alam nyo yon. Isa sa mga favorite kong piyesa dati yon. As in, bata pa ako nun. Parang pangatlong piyesa ko yun. Kasi una kong piyesa, I'm a dancer. Pangalawa yung I'm Here. Yung pangatlo, ang ingay mo, Ariana. Magsama nga na lang kayo ni Wicked. Ano to? I'm Here. I'm a dancer. I'm Here. Tsaka Nothing. Alam niyo yung Nothing? Hindi nyo alam. Yes. Ano yung Nothing? Anong musical yon? Mahilig kasi ako sa musical eh. Magawa nga yan next sa susunod, chorus line. Sinearch mo.
Don't time it down, 'cause I never stay.
Sobrang memorable kasi sa akin ng piyesang yan. Yan yung kauna-unahang contest ko sa library. Ang dami kong kalaban niya na veterana. As in, ako lang yung bagets. Kaya sobrang ano sa akin yung nating na piyesa na yan.
She's the baddest, straight up vicious, texting her and asking her if she's alone and seen some pictures. She said, no, goddamn. She said, come over and see it for yourself.
Gawin ko ulit yan sa birthday ni Ed. Yan natin. Namiss ko naman yan.
Stand up until we see the sun, the baddest ever. Swear she do it better than I ever seen. Never ball, she ain't never long. That's when she told me she ain't ever gonna be home.
Kainong version to?
But just know, you never met somebody like me before though. Easy.
Obama ka daw mamaya.
Ha?
Obama ka daw mamaya.
Obama?
Sabi ni mamaya ito. May Obama sabihin ni mamaya, sabihan mo siya.
Dali mo yung black.
Yung black yung plain.
Oo. Pero wala akong buhok ng Obama mamaya. Good night, standing outside my house.
Trying to apologize. You're so ugly when you cry. Please just cut it out. Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. Baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught.
But you... Mahugas muna ako, go.
Really had me going, but now it's time to go.
Curtains from the closing,
That was quite a show.
very entertaining, but it's over now.
But it's over now.
Don't wanna take a bow. Grab your clothes and gone. Better hurry up. Thank you, AB. Talking about, girl, I love you.
This just looks like a rerun.
Lahat naman sila close ko eh. Kahit hindi drag race, close ko.
Don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not.
Magaling kasi ako makisama.
When I know you're only sorry you got caught. But you put on quite a show. Really had me going, but now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining, but it's over now. It's over now. Go on and take the bow. How ending I want for.
The best light goes to you. For making me believe that you could be.
Faithful to me, let's hear your speech out.
I wanna round up. Ay, huwag ka nag-uutos, be, ha? Ano yung perform yan? Huwag ganun, be, ha?
Curtains finally closing. There was quite a show. Very entertaining. But it's over now. But it's over now. And take
But it's over now. Tapos na ako.
Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. So you can sleep, baby, I know. That's that me, it's the soul. Put it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. So you can sleep, baby, I know. That's that me, it's the soul. I can't relate.
Pag maganda ilong mo, ganyan ka lang mag-nose line.
My gift
Yan lang, dulo lang.
or on vacation. And I got this window.
Parang nakagano lang yung tip.
Stop calling when they act this way. I know I got too bad your ex don't do for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and not perfume for you. Yes, I know I'm nothing to for you. Sat on a coffee brewed for you. One touch and I'm brand new for you. Now he's thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby, I know. It's that me, it's the soul. Put it all down, right on. Switch it up like me.
Kulang na naman yung brushes ko.
Sleep,
Kulang ng isa.
it's the soul. Is it that sweet? I guess so. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer. Oh, you look so cute. Wrapped around my finger. My twisted humor. Making love so often. My honeybee. Come and get this pollen. Too bad your ex don't do it for you. Walked in and dream came true for you. Soft skin and not perfume for you.
Wala.
I know I'm nothing to for you. Sat on a coffee brewed for you. One touch and I'm brand new for you.
Nice.
Thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so. So you can't sleep, baby,
Welcome back, Francesca.
it's the soul. Put it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo.
Maanong costume mo mamaya?
Baby, I know that's that me, it's the soul.
Wala.
Thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet?
Walang damit.
So you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me, it's the soul. Put it up, down, left, right, oh. Switch it up like Nintendo. So you can't sleep, baby, I know that's that me, it's the soul. Is it that sweet? I guess so. That's that me, espresso. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. It ain't my fault that you keep turning me on. It ain't my
Nagla-live din si Maxi.
so gone. It ain't my
Nagla-live o naka-live?
It ain't my fault you keep turning me on. I can talk right now, looking at like what I'm seeing, I'm feeling kinda shocked right now. Couldn't stop right now, even if I wanna, gotta get it when it's hot right now. Oh my God, what is this? Want you all in my business, baby, I insist. Please don't blame me for whatever happens then. No, I can't be
Naka-live pero lag sa FB.
if I get you in trouble now.
Baka walang signal sa
Too irresistible.
ano niya.
Yeah, that's for sure. So if I put your head where my eyes can't see, then you're the one who's got a hold on me. No, I can't be responsible.
Thank you.
It ain't my fault. It ain't my fault. It ain't my fault.
Tagal mo, ma. Ano, inip ka ba? Dapat sinabi mo.
I don't mean to be rude, but I look so damn good. Oh yeah, ain't got time right now. Miss me with that what's your name, your side, it's tie. I just called an Uber and it's tie. Oh my God, what is this? Want you all in my business, baby, I insist. Please don't blame me for whatever happens then. So I can't be responsible if I get you in trouble now. So you're too irresistible, yeah, that's for sure. So if I put your head where my eyes can't see, then you're the one who's got a hold on me. No, I can't be responsible. It ain't my fault.
Sa OWAR, may show ako.
Baby, 1, 2, 3, your body's calling me, and I know wherever you're at is exactly where
Magriri ka tonight. Parang ayoko nga.
it ain't my fault.
Maanong bronzer mo?
Is it the fuck
Anastasia.
that I don't give? Is it the man that I don't miss? Is the song where we get along? Or am I coming on a little strong? Is it the way this dress unzips? Is it the girls that I came with? Does the more that they tell me don't, does the more that it turn me on? I can't leave, I can't leave. Leave you alone with your eyes on me. No, I can't leave, I can't leave. Can't sit alone to look right on me. Yeah, I can't leave, I can't leave. Leave you alone with your eyes on me. No, I can't leave, I can't leave. Can't sit alone to look right on me. Is it wrong that I wanna get right? Wanna get right with you? Is it wrong that I wanna get
Naka-live din si Maxi.
wanna get
O gagawin ko, mag-e-end live ako, punta ako kay Maxi.
They got me thinking things like this. Like what it's like when you take me home, and what it's like when you take it off. Is it the ideas that I like, or do I really wanna make you mine? Or do we leave it all on the floor? Either way, I need a little more. I can't leave, I can't leave. Leave you alone with your eyes on me. No, I can't leave, I can't leave. Can't sit alone to look right on me. I can't leave, I can't leave. Leave you alone with your eyes on me. No, I can't leave, I can't leave. Can't sit alone to look right on me.
Is it, Tyla?
Is it wrong that I wanna get right? Wanna get right with you? Is it wrong that I wanna get right? Wanna get right with you?
I miss you too.
Is it wrong that I wanna get right? Wanna get right with you? Is it wrong that I wanna get right? Wanna get right with you? I've been everywhere, man, looking for someone.
I think it's so cute, and I think it's so sweet. How you let your friends encourage you to try and talk to me. But let me stop you there, oh, before you speak. I to the no, no, no.
My name is no. My sign is no. My number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. I to the no, no, no. My name is
Bayad ka ba, ma? Tataas ang oil.
no. You need to
Ano ba magagawa natin? Wala rin naman na.
need to let it go.
Kasi nga bulok yung gobyerno, Charis.
What you gonna say? You running game. Thinking I believe in every word. Call me beautiful, so original. Telling me I'm not like other girls. I was in my zone before you came along. Now I'm thinking maybe you should go. Blah, blah, blah. I be like, nah, to the I, to the no, no, no. All my ladies, listen up. If that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips, girl, all you got.
Ang bigas ngayon, Day, 60 pesos na.
No, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go.
Buti na lang di ako nagkakanin.
My name is no, my sign is no.
Hinahanap ko yung 20 pesos na bigas, be. Wala akong nakita. 60 ang pinakamababa ngayon.
Thank you in advance. I don't wanna dance. I don't need your hands all over me. If I want a man, then I'ma get a man. But it's never my priority.
Nagko-commute ka ba? Hindi ako nagko-commute.
Don't want you to take this personal. Blah, blah, blah. I be like, nah, to the I, to the no, no, no. All my ladies, listen up. If that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips. That's all you gotta say is, my name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Nah, to the I, to the no, no, no. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Nah, to the I, to the no, no, no. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling untouchable, untouchable. I'm feeling
Hindi pa pala ako nakakapag-tight line. Importante yan, guys, pag nagme-makeup. Kailangan nyo mag-tight line. Hindi pwedeng wala kayong tight line kasi nakaangat yan. Nakaangat yung eyeshadow nyo.
ladies, listen up. If that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips, girl. All you gotta say is, my name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Now to the I, to the no, no, no. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Now to the I, to the no, no, no. Untouchable, 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 untouchable. Now to the I, to the no, no, no.
Huli yun.
Did I dream the whole thing? Was I just a nightmare? Different dimensions. Back in the twilight. Is this a black
Saan lakad? Tatakbo ko, be. Tsaka sasakay. B-drop ka, masis. Ayoko nga. Ganda-ganda ng balakang ko pag B-dropin mo ko. Mga suggestion nyo talaga, yung mga gusto, yung mga nakakasakit.
Disguise our intentions. Honest was a mask. Why do I still protect you? Pretend these songs aren't about you. Hope this might be the last one. 'Cause I'm not fooling anyone. Does she know you're not who you say I just not be better? And it's not like I'm still not over you. It's so strange, 'cause I never do. Not that I miss you, I don't. Sometimes I just can't believe you happened. It's not like I ever changed a thing, 'cause I'm right here.
Gandang pang all-star. Ito naman.
Sometimes I just can't believe you happened.
Maana setting spray mo, Minola oil.
Not that I miss you, I don't. Sometimes I just can't believe you happened.
Bit na bit ko yung kantang yan. Ang lakas maka-girl.
I know I have good judgment. I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic that only I feel that way. I promise them that you're different. And everyone makes mistakes, but just don't. I heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever devil's inside you, don't let him out tonight. I tell them it's just your culture, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know. All I'm asking, baby, please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me, motherfucker. Please, please, please. I have a fun idea, babe. Maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is so nice, and we could live so happily if no one knows that you're with me. I'm just kidding, but really, 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 please, 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 don't prove I'm right. Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't embarrass me, motherfucker. Please, please, please. If you wanna go and be stupid, don't do it in front of me. If you don't wanna cry to my music, don't make me hate you perfectly. Please, 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 please,
Anong eyelash glue? Eyelash glue ko, pang nails yan. Para walang tanggalan.
la, la, la. I miss you, pushing me close to the edge. I miss you.
Ni-UV ko pa nga yun minsan eh, ganito.
I know what I had when I left. I miss you.
Diba? Para walang tanggalan.
Couldn't handle the heat. Now I'm sleeping alone and I'm starting to freeze. Baby, come bring me hell, let it rain over me. Baby, come back to me. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life, yeah. I want you to fuck up my nights, yeah, fuck up my nights, yeah, all of my nights, yeah. I want you to bring
Sino doktor mo sa nose? Si Sherwell Dagasdas ko from Revisage Clinic. Revisage Aesthetic Clinic. Ganda ng gawa, di ba? Hindi halata. Natural lang. Wala na.
I miss you more than I thought that I could. I miss you.
Si Doc Sherwell Dagasdas, kung gusto niyo magpagawa, sa kanya kayo magpagawa. The best.
I miss you. You set fire to my world.
Ang galing niyo gumawa.
Now I'm sleeping alone and I'm starting to freeze. Baby, come bring me up. Let it rain over me. Baby, come back to me. Baby, come back to me. I want you to rule my life. You to rule my life. You to rule my life. Yeah. I want you to fuck up my nights. Yeah. Fuck
Ay! Ano na, Mare? Kamusta ka na? Chichirita.
I want you to rule my life. You to rule my
Ang nag-iisang kambing ng buhay ko. Kamusta ka na, Mi? Kilala niyo yan, si Chichirita? Ano na? Kamusta ka na, Mare? Namiss naman kita. Shootang inamiss ka. Thank you, Mare. I love you. I miss you. I miss you na sobra-sobra.
Come back to me. Come back to me.
Eto, busy din. Pansin ko nga sa mga post mo. Ay, Mare, bago pala yung Insta ko ngayon, ha? Baka kalain mo, binlock kita o inunfollow kita. Ay, ala, award. Hindi pwede to. Hindi ako pwede dyan, Mare. Alam mo naman. 'Di ba? Gustuhin ko man, Mare, pero hindi ako pwede dyan. Baka ma-question ako, Mare.
Like Mr. Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girl with tattoos who like getting in
Ay, shoot a go lang. Gusto mo dalawin na lang kita dyan? Puntahan na lang kita.
myself all of my favorite things. Seen through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Would
Send mo sa akin. Ang nangyari sa IG mo, na ano siya, na... Ay, naku. Sayang yung 50k followers ko doon. Magsi-60 na actually yun. Magsi-60k na yun. Pero yun pa rin yung pangalan ng IG ko ngayon.
wearing no ring, but ain't gon' be no misses. I'm matching diamonds for 6 of my bitches. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. They
Yes, yan.
might know
Papin na ko, be.
said money
Paano pa ipin yan? Hindi ako marunong.
had enough money to solve it. They say which one I say now. I want all of them.
Ayan.
This is the same.
Yan ang IG ko ngayon, Mare.
It's beaming, my skin is dreaming. The way it shine, I know you see it.
Send mo sa akin, Mare. I-download ko. Tapos puntahan kita dyan.
Put it in the bag, yeah. When you see them racks, they stack up like my ass, yeah. Shoot, go from the sun to the booth, make it all back in one loop. Give me the loot, never mind, I got the juice. Nothing but new when we shoot. Look at my neck, ain't got enough money to pay me respect. Ain't no budget when I'm on the set. If I like it, then that's
Thank you, Mare. I love you. Shoota ka. Thank you, Mare. Ay, may namimiss akong kanta. Katunog niya.
Don't mind spending some time just hanging here with you, 'cause I don't find too many guys that treat me like you do. Those are the guys that wanna take me for a ride, but when I walk, they talk of suicide. Some people never get beyond their stupid pride, but you can see the real me inside, and I'm satisfied. Oh no.
Yung lip liner pwedeng pangkilay. Pwede, kaso magastos yun, be.
Even though the stars are blind, if you show me real love, baby, I'll show you mine. Make it nice and naughty, make the devil an angel too. Got a heart and soul and body, let's see what this love can do. Baby, I'm perfect for I could be your confidant, just one of your girlfriends, but I
Yes, stars are blind.
not what you want. If tomorrow the world ends, why shouldn't we be with the one we really love? Now tell me who have you been dreaming of? I know. Oh no. Even though the guys are crazy, even though the stars are blind, if you show me real love, baby, I'll show you mine. Make it nice and naughty, make the devil an angel too. Got a heart and soul and body, let's see what this love can do. Baby, I'm perfect for you. Excuse me for feeling this moment is critical. It might bring me feeling we could get physical. Oh no, no, no. Even though the guys are crazy, even though the stars are blind, if you show me real love, baby, I'll show you mine. Make it nice and naughty, make the devil an angel too. Got a heart and soul and body, let's see what this
12:30.
let's see what love can do. Baby, I'm perfect for you. Baby, I'm perfect. Even though the guys are crazy, even though the stars are blind,
Lagi mo sa bag ko, Dre.
even though the guys are crazy,
I'm done. Sapa yung buhok ko. Ang ganda ng cream silk ko. Diba? Walang buhaghag.
I know I may be young, but I've got feelings too. And I need to do what I feel like doing. So let me go and just listen.
All the people look at me at how I feel so good. What color ng cream silk ma? Yung pink yung gamit ko. Tsaka yung gold.
Always
Tapos yun din yung gamit ko sa wig ko.
Well, I'm just trying to find out why. 'Cause dancing's what I love. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Concealer po yung pinang-apply mo sa lipstick mo. Opo. Tapos lalagyan ko siya ng lip gloss mamaya para... Pero isa-set ko muna siya, kailangan nakaset siya. Para hindi siya mag-ano.
Dancing when I see this guy. What's practical?
Logical, what the hell, who cares?
All I know is I'm so happy.
Sobrang indoors. Totoo naman kasi, oh. Diba, oh. Diba?
I'm not trying to hide. Baby, don't you wanna dance up on me? Another time and place. Oh, baby, don't you wanna
Ano daw? BO tayo bukas pag di ka busy. Yes! Oo, BBO ko bukas. Maaga ako gigising. Mag-BBO ko. Bukas na ba talaga kailangan yan? Or sa Sunday na para wala ako. May show pa ako bukas eh. Sunday na lang.
really wanna dance?
Matagal pa yun, April pa. Ah, okay.
Really wanna do what you want?
Sa Sunday na lang. Sunday ko gawin.
Really wanna dance tonight with you?
Green, mag-book ka na.
Do what you want me to? Baby, don't you
Lagyan mo ito sa bag ko.
dance up on me? Another time and place. Oh,
At kami mag-aano na.
don't you wanna dance up on me? Are you ready? I'm a name, I'm a slave for you. I cannot control.
Thank you. Kaput ka.
I hopped up the plane at LAX with a dream.
Mapwedeng gamitin pang kilay yung sa lip liner. Pwede, kaso nga magastos nga yun, be. Kasi ang lip liner, masyado siyang malambot. Not like ng pencil na pang kilay mismo na eyeliner. Medyo matigas siya. Madali mauubos yung lip liner mo pag ginawa mo siyang pang kilay. Eh, pero, ikaw, decision mo kung marami ka naman pambili, why not? Go, pwede. Malagkit yun. Isi-set. So, kasi yung gantong kilay, yung blurred lang, yung parang, di ba? Ano, parang blonde, ganon. Blurred lang. Ayoko na masyadong contour na contour yung kilay. Yung parang black, parang mismong nakaganon. Yes, parang bleach. Diba? Ganyan na kilay yun. Sana ang aura mo, Nikki. Paps, sa ano, sa O-Bar. Ang layo mo, Paps eh. Diba? Hindi mo na nga ako nakikinita bago ko umalis. Leche. Ano yung lip gloss? Same ng bronzer ko. Anastasia din. Meron na? Wala pa? How much ma? Sponsor lang siya sa Drag Race. Pinamigay ko na yung mga makeup ko. Pero ang tinira ko lang yung mga pang color ko. Like yan, yung bronzer, yung mga lip gloss na ano, na pale. Mahilig kasi ako sa pale. Nunal na lang dito, no? Dito ba? Dito ba yung nunal ni Raven o dito? Dito. Dito na lang nakaganon. Walang live ngayon ng MLB. May show ako. Ano, ma? Ano daw? Ma, if ever na-call ka ng UK versus the world, will you accept, diba? Hindi ako tatawagan nun, de. Diba nga, kasi may may language barrier ako, kaya hindi ako tatawagan nun. Pag may all-star, baka. Pero, sa ganon, hindi yata nila ako tatawagan. Diba? 40 na ako next year pag nag-aral pa ako. So, ano to? Hayaan na natin sa kanila sa mga bagets. Happy na rin naman ako sa 2 dekada ko sa pagdadrive. Na-achieve ko na lahat ng gusto kong ma-achieve. As in. Bonus na lang itong nangyayari sa akin ngayon.
No regrets, just love. We can dance until we die. You and I will be young forever. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever love.
Diba? Maniniwala ba kayong 39 years old na yan?
When you look at me, just one touch. Now baby, I believe this is real.
Nasaan yung nails? Ah, nga pala, tinabi ko na yung nails ko.
We built a Cali and got drunk on the beach.
ML Pro player na lang, ma. Alam mo, gusto ko nga yun. Diba? Kahit isang isang laban lang sa MPL. Ha? Hoy! Oo, diba? Tapos yung sa MPL, beginner sa beginner, na syempre dapat walang pro-pro. Kasi beginner lang ako. Diba? Manifest na yan, ma. Lip gloss na, ma. Basa pa siya. Hinihintay ko pa siya mag-set. Nag-set kasi yung lip gloss ko, nagiging siya. Kaya yung yung nilagay ko to, nagsiset yan. Maya-maya pa yan. Hindi ko pwedeng patungan ng powder, matatakpan yung brown. Fantasy ka, baby. Baby! Don't call me baby. Kung baby, tawan mo lang din naman ako. Be, ano na? Sarang show sa O-Bar po. Season 4 ka daw. Dinicline ko, be. Charis. Be. Ba't akong sa season 4? Ganda-ganda na ng budget ko sa nag-station ako eh. Bababa ko pa yung budget ko sa season 4. No. Bahay niyo po yan. Hindi po akin tong bahay. Nangungupahan lang po ako. Ano daw? Wala daw siyang heels? Ano daw? Oh, Bernie, give mo naman ako ng heels or for coming pageant, April 11. Wala po akong heels. I-message mo si Jojo Bragais. Hindi naman ako... Gumagawa ba ako ng sapatos, be? Sa tingin mo? Mukha ba akong gumagawa ng sapatos? Si Jojo Bragais, message mo. Message mo siya, sabi mo, Jojo Bragais, pengi pong sapatos, may pageant po ako sa April 11, baka naman. Ganunin mo. Ginawa mo akong gumagawa ng sapatos. Shoemaker? Magastos po bang... Yes, magastos. From head to toe.
Baby, come, take me now, hold me now, make me come alive.
Ano, meron na?
Sweetest touch, I'm so happy you came in my life.
Mamaya ka na, Rihanna. Magbubuk lang kami, babe. Mahirap pala mag-book. Dapat kanya pa pala ako nagpa-book. Baka butin ako ng alauna dito. Wala pa. Mga birthday ko. O ano ngayon kung birthday mo? Charis. Grais B. Kayo talaga mga Gen Z. Ang dami nyong nalalaman. Try ko rin mag-book. Book mo nga ako, AB. O-bar tapos where to go, O-bar. From, lagi mo from your heart. Hi, hello. Hi, J22. Ang lakas 90s ka, no? Batang 90s ka, no? J22. Ano yun? Pinagre-restart yung cellphone ko. Kasi kailangan daw mag-update ng app. Nakita ko si Maymay. Sinong Maymay? Ako, Maymay. Maymay Inggitera. Ako si Maymay Inggitera. Ay, parang kilala ko tong Marvin Ramirez na to. Parang kilala kita Marvin Ramirez. Hindi ko lang matandaan kung saan. Saan ganap mo, ma? Daluyong. Shoutout mo ko, fan mo ko. Ay, wag mo ko inutusan, be. Ano to? Parang may bayad ka, tol. Ayan na, meron na. 8 minutes. Next pyesa mo ba, Midnight Sun? Hindi. Wala lang, trip ko lang siya ngayon kasi summer. Tsaka yung lash. Lash, ano yun? Lash glue, charis. Meron na ako 4 minutes. Totoo ba? Meron daw sa AB 4 minutes. Magkano yan, AB? 184 lang dito, in drive ha. Huy, ang mahal niyan. Cancel mo yan, mahal yan. Ito na. Mahal yan, 184 lang kami. Masakit sa bulsa ang 200 plus papuntang O-bar. Dahil hindi naman ganun kalaki yung ano. Lash Life, yes, Lash Life yun. Isa pa yan. Sobrang ano yung favorite ko yan. Sobrang favorite ko ngayon, Lash Life. Den. Tuntua ako sa kanya. Hirap mag-book ngayon. Cancel nyo na yung ano. Sa nakakaalam ng address ko. Di ba? Ang cute ng Lash Life. Okay na. Ito, malapit na rin naman na ito. Patawid na rin naman siya. O Ardrino, i-message mo siya, sabihin mo, wag dumaan dun sa may inaano ng, kasi one way yun, no? Baka dumaan sa one way, double check mo lang. Bernek, finalo kita. Anong finalo? Ah, pinalo. Piste. Dami one way, kaloka. True. Baka pumasok na naman kasi siya dito sa may ano, sa one way, di ba? Nakakamiss manood sa O-Bar. Halika na, punta ka na ngayon. Pinalo ka pala. O ayan, okay na Marvin. Kilala na kita. Si Marvin Ramirez. From Daluyong. Na kaibigan nila Betong. Tsaka nila Atoy. What time ka po magpa-perform? Mamaya pa ang 12:30. Maga pa naman, may 1 hour pa naman ako eh. Meron ako laging 1 hour para sa biyahe. Tapos pang number 5 pa naman yung number ko. So, meron daw nakalagay doon na ano.
Ano?
Sige, mamaya ako na mag-check. Panotice Idol. Hi, Maki. Komedyante ng atake. Ano komedyante? Leche ka? Hindi ako nagkukomedyante. Hindi ako yun. Ay, hindi ka ba yun? Eh, hindi. Wala, about sa season 4, wala akong alam ngayon. Wala rin namang lumapit sa akin na nagmingi ng help. So, wala akong alam. Diba? Tsaka kahit naman may alam ako, sabihin ko ba sa inyo? Sa tingin nyo? Sabihin ko, pengi akong 10 pook. Ay 12 pook. Para sa 12K. Para sa 12 na ano, candidate. Siyempre, 1K, isang pangalan. Kada letter. Ay, yung isa mahaba yun. Mahaba pangalan yung Charis. Di, wala akong alam. Wala akong alam ngayon. Wala akong alam ngayon sa season 4. Sobrang busy namin ngayon. Kasi, mag-Holy Week. Excited na ako mag-LU. Kaya di muna ako nagpapagawa ng mukha para yung init ng katawan, magbababad talaga ako dahil papanegra ako ngayon ng bonggang-bongga. All-Star. Siguro kung magkakaroon ng All-Star after in season 4, hindi ko muna i-grab. Kasi parang pagod pa ako sa Slaysian. Chase. Parang pagod pa yung bulsa ko sa Slaysian. Doon nabawi ko na. Pero parang imbis na kung di ako sumali, dapat mas malaki pa. Diba? So parang wala pa ako nababa. Parang nabawi ko pala yung gastos pero hindi ko pa nababawi yung buo na ginastos. Oy, yan nga yung content ko ngayon, heme-heme shampoo eh. Tignan nyo yung post ko ngayon. Yung post ko di sa TikTok, check nyo. Yan ang content ko ngayon. Para kasi pinaalala nyo sa akin last time na ano, yung una kong post ng cream silk. Sige go. Pagbibigyan ko kayo dyan sa heme-heme shampoo. Alam naming lahat na mangangabog kapag bumalik ka. Manununtok ako be, Charis. Hi mother, baka may declutter ka, bigay mo na lang sa akin. Pag nagde-declutter ako be, binebenta ko, hindi ko siya pinamimigay. Oo, be, magastos talaga. Magkano makeup ngayon? Parang 3 piraso, 4 na pirasong makeup. 1,000 na maigit. Isang set nito. O, paano? Nandiyan na. Diba? Wala nang mura ngayon. Ang mura na nga lang ngayon yung sasabihin mo sa tao. Yun na lang yung mura.
Maleta lang tayo.
Oo, maleta lang. Dahil sa ilaw pala, kaya pala ganun. Masyadong yellow. Wait lang. Ayan. Masyado palang dilaw kanina yung ilaw. Kaya pala, sabi ko parang akong may hepa. Yung pala yun, dahil madilaw, may yung vanity, yung hindi yan.
Hindi siya.
Nandiyan na? Hindi ko alam. Oh. Labasin mo na. Ayan, babay na guys. Nawala na pindot ko, be. Babay na guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah. Bye-bye.